Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide and lock WhatsApp chat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. Scroll a little bit and here you can see option of chat lock. Click on that. And here you can see keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your fingerprint to open this chat and read notification on this phone. For even more privacy, locked chats will be kept separate from other chats. So here you can see lock this chat with fingerprint. You simply need to click on that. Here you can see this chat will not be locked on your linked devices. Okay, and after that you need to set up fingerprint to lock this chat. So once you set up your fingerprint, you can easily lock and hide your WhatsApp chat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.